Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking Dyson vacuum cleaners. We just purchased a brand new V11 and we're going to open up the box and give you a full review on it. Let's get started. All right, YouTubers, it is out of the packaging. This is what the box looks like. What we'll do now is pull all the parts out of the box and organize them. Again, this is the Dyson V11 Animal. Twice the suction of any cord-free vacuum. And here's a pictorial image of it. Now, left-hand side, Dyson digital motor V11 spins at up to 125,000 RPMs. That's incredible. Intelligently adapts to all floor types in auto mode. And what I want to do is turn the box to the side and let's talk about the battery modes. The first one is auto mode. Intelligently adapts suction between carpets and hard floors. Up to 40 minutes on hardwood floors, 20 minutes on carpet. And that's because the vacuum itself is working harder on carpet, as you can imagine, the differences between carpet and hard floor. The second one is eco mode, which is maximum runtime for longer cleans, up to 60 minutes on hardwood floors and up to 60 minutes using the combination adapter. And the third one is your boost mode, intensive cleaning for ground in dirt, up to 5 minutes. So this is the powerhouse suction mode, and it will aggressively clean whatever surface you are trying to clean. However, because of the enhanced suction, it drains your battery faster, as you can see with the icon here. Let's turn it on the back side. The back side of the box really gives you a pictorial image of the internal workings, as you can see here. And this is the V11 Dyson digital motor. And up here, you've got the whole system filtration. And according to this, it captures 99.97% of microscopic particles as small as 0.3 to 0.5 microns. In addition, you've got the power saving trigger, preserves runtime and battery life. And that's right here. I'll show you that here shortly. And then right down here are the long-lasting battery energy dense 7-cell lithium ion battery technology. And that is an impressive design. Down to the cleaner head. This is a high torque cleaner head and drives stiff nylon bristles into carpet to remove deep down dirt, while anti-static carbon fiber filaments remove ultra-fine dust from hard floors. The control head has its own motherboard down inside that part, which is impressive. And the additional side talks about the tools and accessory. You've got the high torque cleaner head. We just talked about that. You've got the mini motorized tool. We'll show that here shortly. The stiff bristle brush, the combination tool, and the crevice tool. So again, the high torque cleaner head, we just talked about that. And with the new one, all the connection points are red. They were a different color with our last model. And we have not used this yet. Obviously, it's brand new. And that is pretty nice. Again, that is the control head. It has the two settings here. And now let's talk about the mini motorized tool. And that is this one right here. Very nice. The third one, the stiff bristle brush. And nothing fancy with this, YouTubers. Very similar to the last model brush. And the combination tool is something we did not have in the previous vacuum. Check this out. So this is going to go in here and secure itself. And you have this little button here. Right now, it's basically set for the first setting. And it's got the brush right here to give a padding support on whatever surface you are rubbing this on. And that's to alleviate scratches, which is clever. And then you've got this inner brush. By pushing this button here, you can shift the brush up and it locks in place, as you can hear. And now it's basically a very long brush with an aggressive angle on it that the standard brush does not have. And when it comes time to shift this back into place, press the button and shift it until it clicks, as you can see here. Very impressive. This crevice tool right here, nothing different. It has the vent holes for proper venting and the connection point. The only thing different is it's red with this model. And here's the power block. And as far as the power block, we noticed that this plugs into a different portion of the vacuum. And on our previous vacuum, the power block connection point was on the back handle. The new one is up here, as you can see there. Not sure why, however, I'm not worried about it. And then you've got the long extension piece right here, and the red connection point will connect to the vacuum cleaner. Any and all parts that come with the vacuum cleaner will connect to this. So the head and all of the additional pieces. So if you've got cobwebs very high up in a room, go and attach this and maybe your crevice tool or the combination tool. And the last thing is basically your mounting kit, which will allow you to mount this on the wall so your brand new expensive vacuum will never rest on the floor and get damaged, which is always a good thing. From here, what I want to do is open up the vacuum cleaner and show you the air filter. Counterclockwise, the filter cap comes out, and inside here is your filter. This is much larger than the previous model, and that is pretty cool. Check that out. That is a water spigot or faucet icon, which tells you that this is water friendly. And if you watched our previous videos, we talked about how to properly clean your internal filters on a regular basis. And here is the back side of the vacuum. Again, the vents, and this just slides back into place. Just like that. Now to the front part. Check this out. This is a plastic handle. Just be very careful. Push it to the front portion of the vacuum, and this slides off. And what I'll do, I'll set the camera down. I may have to grab this with both hands. Inside here, an additional filter. And the cool thing is, this front cap portion does not open until you extend this portion all the way out. And then it will open on its own. Just like that. And again, it is under spring-loaded tension by shifting this entire plastic chamber case outward. The internal gasket basically pushes any lint and debris forward over this rubber flap so you can properly remove it from the vacuum, which is really nice. And again, as you push it up, it also gives you access to this portion to clean the inner filter here. From here, we will close it, and you'll hear the bottom latch click. From here, we can close this. Very impressive machine. What I want to do now is pull the trigger and give you a chance to hear what it sounds like. Wow. Pretty impressive. Some unique sounds coming from it, but that's awesome. Very high tech. Very cool. From here, we're not going to waste any more time. It's time to clean the house. Hopefully this helps YouTubers. Do us a favor. Below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us, and we would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, and definitely check out the link scrolling above. It will take you to our Dyson vacuum cleaner playlist. A lot of videos that you may find helpful.